Naghanap ka ba ng pickup? Yung maporma, pero pasok pa din sa bulsa? Baka itong pickup na to ang para sa'yo. Mitsubishi Strada. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo hindi na siya stock kasi ito ay ang Auto Hub exclusive na tinatawag na Super Shogun. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa harapan, blacked out grills. Pero iniwan nila yung Mitsubishi emblem. Kapareho ng Mitsubishi Strada Athlete. Pero may tanging difference. Red out skid plates ang Mitsubishi Strada Super Shogun. Kaparehas ng Athlete, it is also equipped with your standard halogen headlights and fog lamps. Pagdating dito sa gilid, this is where the fun begins. Dito natin makikita kung ano ang difference ng Mitsubishi Strada Athlete and the Super Shogun by Auto Hub. Mitsubishi Strada Athlete comes in a very off-road fashion, while this Mitsubishi Strada Super Shogun comes in a classy, sporty look. Dito sa harap, meron na tayong decals going to the lower part of your doors up to the last part of your truck bed. It also has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels that is blacked out para pumasok siya sa pagka-sporty and classy look ng Super Shogun. At the back of the tires, we have ventilated disc brakes at the front and drum brakes at the back. Together with that pickup look, merong ground clearance of 220 mm and a wadding depth of 700 mm. Pwede ka nang sumuong sa mga knee-high deep na baha, lalong-lalo na dito sa Metro Manila. It is still powered by 2.4-liter inline-4 turbo diesel that produces 179 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. Those are transferred to the rear tires via 6-speed automatic transmission. Pagpasok dito sa loob, makikita nyo kaagad yung standard feel ng sasakyan. This is very much a standard Strada, so it comes in fabric and hard plastics. Unlike the Athlete, leather yung dashboard, leather din yung upuan. When it comes to the steering wheel, leather naman kahit papaano, so soft to the touch. Mayroon din yung paddle shifters, your infotainment controls at the left, and your cruise control in the right. It comes in standard gauge cluster, 7-inch infotainment system with Bluetooth and phone mirroring lang. Walang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pero, meron pa rin niyang reverse camera. Going to the lower portion, meron tayong buttons ng climate control. And dito sa ilalim pa, makikita mo na yung mga blank spots. Kung saan, sa ibang bansa, punong-puno ng controls yan. Dito, blanco. Pero for this Super Shogun, merong exciting part. May libre ng ionizer yung sasakyan mo, built-in. Makikita mo, merong ilaw yan. Pag green, malinis yung ini-inhale mong hangin. Pag pula, medyo madumi. Dito na naman sa baba, we have your USB port, auxiliary port, and cigarette lighter. The shifter comes in your standard PR and D, 2 bottle holders, and your manual pull and brake. Pagdating dito sa likod, this is my standard driving position. 6'2" ang height ko. Very generous pa yung knee space. Only challenge is, medyo touch na yung buhok ko sa kisame. So, pwede naman ako mag-slouch ng konti. Hindi aabot yung tuhod ko or sakto. Meron akong space sa ulo. Para sa mga size ko, alanganing 5-seater to. But very big to be a 4-seater. Meron din kasi yan, center console with 2 bottle holders. Meron din yan, 2 USB charging ports. Isa siguro sa mga magagandang parte or magagandang karakteristik ng Mitsubishi Strada, iniisip nila yung mga pasahero. Maluwag, komportable, may bonus pa. Merong ISOFIX anchor points para sa mga baby nyo. Now when it comes here to the back, manual ang tailgate. So kailangan mo ng konting effort kapag di ka kasing lakas ko. Pagdating naman sa kaya niyang bitbitin, brake towing capacity is at 2,500 kilograms. Payload capacity, since magaan yung bulsa mo, medyo magaan din ang kaya niyang dalhin, 912 kilograms lang. For the safety and security, it is equipped with SRS airbags, with electronic brake force distribution, immobilizer, security alarm, stability control, electronic and speed sensing door locks, with ISOFIX anchors. Priced at 1.4 million pesos, kung nagustuhan mo lahat ng detalyeng sinabi ko, baka itong pickup na to ang para sa'yo. Ako nga pala si Boss Carl. Laging tatandaan, mas magandang updated sa mga gantong bagay kaysa makipagmarites sa kapitbahay. Bye!